Hello everyone, I'm Chef Mike and today I'm gonna teach you how you can make this cool looking bacon tuile at home. So let's do it. The ingredients are simple: egg whites, butter, plain flour, salt and bacon. I will leave the full recipe in the description down below. You have to start with cooking the bacon. So I chop it roughly and sear it on low to medium heat until the bacon gets nice color and crisp. Then you can transfer it into the blender and add melted butter, flour, egg whites and salt. At this point you can also use different spices if you like. The next step is to spread it nicely on the silicone mold. You can use any shape you want and bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 minutes depending on your oven. You have to try a little bit. If you cook it too much, the crisp gets too hard and it's difficult to take it out from the mold. And if you don't bake it enough, it's raw. So you have to find the best time for you. And tuile like this is great decoration for your fine dining mains and starter. So I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, guys. And if you want to learn another cool fine dining tuile, check out this video and learn how I can make my yogurt chips at home. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.